Hello friends, welcome to this video. So here also we are going to discuss a question which was asked in JEE Mains 2021. So let me read the question first and then we'll discuss the solution. So the question is the de-broglie wavelength of a proton and alpha particle are equal. What will be the ratio of their velocities? Okay, so it is given that the de-broglie wavelength of a proton and alpha particle are equal. We need to calculate the ratio of their velocities. Okay, so let us head to the board and where we will solve this question. So what is given the de Broglie wavelength of alpha particle? Okay, alpha particle lambda alpha, and de Broglie wavelength of proton lambda p. So those are equal. Okay, so we have to find what is the ratio of their velocities. Okay, ratio of the velocities of alpha particle and proton. So what is the ratio? Okay, so in order to calculate the ratio, we have to find out what is the relation between the de Broglie wavelength and velocity. The ratio of de Broglie wavelength and velocity is something like this. Okay, so the de Broglie wavelength is equal to h divided by mv. Mv is the momentum. Okay, so let us substitute the value of wavelength here in this equation. So what we get, h remains constant, Planck's constant, lambda alpha that we can write as m alpha v alpha equal to lambda p. H is again constant and we can write as mp vp. Okay, suppose m alpha is the mass of alpha particle, v alpha is the velocity of alpha particle, mp is the mass of proton, and vp is the velocity of proton. So here h can be cancelled, Planck's constant. So yeah, so now what next? So what is the relationship between the mass of an alpha particle and mass of proton? So the relationship is something like this: the mass of an alpha particle is equal to 4 times the mass of proton. So let us substitute this value here. So anyway, we have to find v alpha by vp. V alpha by vp, so that is mp divided by m alpha. Okay, so v alpha divided by vp is equal to m p by m alpha. So mp by m alpha will be from here mp over m alpha is equal to 1 divided by 4. Okay, 1 divided by 4. So this is the ratio. Okay, this is alpha. This is the ratio of the velocity of the alpha particle and the proton. Okay, so that is 1 divided by 4. So in order to solve this question, first you have to know this relationship between the wavelength. Okay, wavelength, the de Broglie wavelength, and how the mass of an alpha particle is related to the mass of proton. Once you know these two relationships, you can easily find out the relation between the velocity of the alpha particle and velocity of proton. So thank you very much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you very much.